You know how to code. Maybe you've entered hackathons before. But what if you could win cash prizes for your code and at the same time see your work put to good use helping people around the world? Sounds pretty good, right? Let me tell you how it's possible. My name is Jennifer, and I'm with Call for Code. Call for Code is a global tech for good initiative aimed at taking on some of the world's biggest humanitarian issues like climate change and natural disasters. Every year, we call on developers around the world to build something for our annual global challenge. This year, there are chances to win prizes throughout the year from a total pool of over $1 million. Prizes are great. Who couldn't use that extra cash, right? But what makes Call for Code different from your typical hackathon is that top solutions are then nurtured by an ecosystem of global enterprises, humanitarian organizations, and charitable partners so that big ideas go from prototype to tested and scaled and eventually deployed into local communities where they make a real difference in people's lives. This year, our global challenge is focused on solving issues of sustainability using AI. So let's break that down. What do we mean by sustainability? Well, environmental sustainability involves a lot of complex, interconnected issues. So things like, how do you improve people's access to clean energy? Or how do we work together to reduce waste and lower carbon emissions? Even simple things like, how do you improve people's access to clean drinking water and healthy food? And how do you do these things, especially in marginalized communities where people are most often impacted by pollution and climate change? And AI, well, AI is really all anybody's talking about in the tech world right now. The people who understand the technology best are doing some really inventive, creative things with it every single day. But most of us are just trying to keep up and learn. What's great about Call for Code is when you join the online community, you get access to free AI training, developer resources from IBM, and expert mentors who are there to help you learn. So, code something, win prizes, grow your skills in AI, and help people and maybe help solve the problems of the world. Sounds pretty good, right? But what could you build? Well, let me give you one example. The 2020 Call for Code winning team were 4 university students who came together from Mongolia, Brazil, India, and Taiwan. They were looking to help small-scale farmers around the world better predict unpredictable climate conditions so that they could make better plans for the types of crops they should grow. Their winning solution was an app they called Agrily. Agrily uses IBM Watson Assistant to help farmers access online resources, manage their to-do lists. It also uses Watson Studio to generate a machine learning model that creates weather insights to help farmers make more informed decisions. Since winning Call for Code in 2020, the Agrily solution has been field tested and put to use with thousands of farmers around the world. So it's helping real people every day. And that's just one example. So what could you build with AI to solve a sustainability issue? Well, maybe you could help local utility managers better predict fluctuating wind and solar power supply and demand using Watson Studio to help them more efficiently get power to people's homes. Or maybe you could find new ways to measure risk and trends in biodiversity, things like fluctuating pollinator populations. Or maybe you could use Watson Assistant to better connect people in low-income communities to resources and services that are available to people impacted by climate change. There are so many ways that AI can be used to solve sustainability issues. Here's what you can do today. If you're 18 or over, take 5 minutes and sign up for the Call for Code Global Challenge. You'll get access right away to free AI training. You'll be part of our online community where you can meet potential teammates around the world and expert mentors who are there to learn with you and help you collaborate on big ideas. And if you code something using AI to solve a sustainability issue and you enter the competition, you could have a shot at some of those prizes from that pool of over $1 million. So, what would you code? How will you answer the call? If you like this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe. If you have questions, please drop them in the comments below.